Sunova Beach, the sun is out. Sunova, the element from Winnebago, Itasca. By all means, calm your horses there. This sweet 2012, we just got in on trade, I think a month or two ago. We took it to our show, we tried to get it out there on the market, but it's waiting for you right there, watching this video. This is your time to call on this coach because it came from South Dakota, it's in great shape, it's got full body paint, and it's ready to rock and roll. So I'm gonna take you on a tour through it. It's only 33 feet. This coach is ready to go to your driveway in 3, 2, 1. Just kidding, some other guy does that. Follow me. So check this out. This floor plan is loaded up. Like I said, it's a 2012 Itasca Sunova. They did a great job on this floor plan, the 33C, on giving you expansion space up front. You got that driver's side slide that almost extends back the full length of the coach. It's about 75% on the length of it. Opposing from your passenger side pull-out couch sleeper and installed lazy boy, you can watch TV in front viewing direction. That is a big, big feature for folks going to the campgrounds. You guys know it's tough to sit in a motorhome and cant your head to the left or the right and try to get that viewpoint. We all want to be able to sit back, relax, watch TV, watch the game when you're at the campground, it's raining outside, and actually enjoy the space. That dinette in front of that TV is expandable. In the cockpit area, the nice thing about Class A coaches is you can recognize is the full 360 option of the chairs. So again, with having a TV that's placed on the driver's side of the coach and couches all front viewing, it's nice for extra guests or anybody else to be able to sit back and enjoy the front viewing of the television. So more seating on a coach under 34 feet, you can't go wrong with that option. The driver's seat here, cockpit seat, the most important part for driving wise, there's a lot of space around that seating area. If you're a bigger person in life, 6'1", 200 pounds plus, like me, I have plenty of space to be comfortable during my drive. It's a Ford transmission setup. It's the V10 motor. This is like I said, 2012. So it's got a 5-speed transmission. Standard like your trucks, especially for that time era. As you can see, I have plenty of space with my legs, my back. Driving more than 4 hours a day on the road, it wouldn't be too tough on the body. These are very, very plush couches and seats that are added to this unit. It's not a bad drive. This coach, by the way, I know you're wondering, it has 57K on the miles. That is not that much for a V10 RV motor. The motor has just been broken in the last 15,000 miles. It's pretty good, actually. So let's keep going down the galley space here. Let me show you the rest of this floor plan. Again, at 33 feet and some change, you get a good amount of counter space inside of the kitchen. It's a 3-burner cooktop, and you get the full-size oven as well. Microwave, here's the cool thing, it's actually convection. So if you want a gas propane oven, you have that, or you can use the electric-driven convection side of the microwave if you don't want to use propane burning on the oven and use all electrical. Cool options for Winnebago, they do both. The 4-door no-cold fridge. Didn't even say that right, did I? Let me slow down. 4-door no-cold fridge. Say it with me now. Here we go. Here we go. 4-door no-cold fridge. No, I can't do it. Let's open it up though. It's got an ice maker. Ice maker's nice if you guys are folks that like their cocktails and it gets too hot down in Florida. It's always nice having a ice maker on board and you don't have to have a freezer extra just keeping ice. And residential size, so plenty of storage for food and drinks as well into the pantry space. So you got pull-out cupboards for the pantry space, which is very nice. What I mean by just adding that very nice comment at the end of that is because we all are looking for pantry space on a short length coach. So truly, this really is very nice having extra space next to the fridge. So into the quarters. Look at the size of the bed. It is a standard residential queen, but I almost can walk straight back on the side of this bed to get in. I'm not trying to squeeze my way through. That's a feature to keep in mind when you're under 34 feet. How much space do I have to walk around the actual bed? Well, I'm standing almost straight. That is quite a bit of space if you can kind of imagine visually. You got plugs back here for your 110, so if you have any devices, plug-in devices, you can plug in on both sides of the bed to use any type of electronics near the bedding. Another cool feature to point out is the window behind the actual mattress. A lot of coaches, especially when they're slide driven, have side windows and no back support window. How nice is it to think about laying out at the campgrounds or somewhere near a river or some very beautifully set place in Montana where you guys can wake up, pull the blinds up, and look right out at the water, the mountains from where you're sleeping? Because that's what it's all about. And that's not a sales pitch, that's truth. I like waking up and seeing that. So, something to think about. Anyway, guys, if you like this coach, again, it's a 2012. It's a good bang for the buck. My email's at the bottom here. Take a quick pan in that bathroom because I'm going to be using it for the next 10 minutes. I promise you I'll clean it. But here's the thing. Give me a call because this coach is not going to last very long. I look forward to talking to you soon. See you later, guys.